Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Herbert, and today's video I would like to share with you about the dashboard project I just completed last week. Here is the dataset about the sales transactions. The content related to Excel Power Query and pivot, such as how to create relational databases between tables, how to connect with Power Query, to load, transform, and add data. You can see the working interface of Power Query. Next is how to use Power Pivot and DAX for analysis data. You can create measures for calculation. Finally, using Excel functions to visualize data like pivot charts, icon, and shape. You can dynamically update the title and charts as professional. You also be able to connect a slicer to multiple pivot charts and pivot tables, and also be able to customize the slicers to make the report more visually appealing. If you're interested in this project, feel free to leave a comment below and I will share the materials. Thank you and best of luck.